Hello and welcome back to Cooking on the Ridge. Today we're going to highlight some of Pampered Chef's fall product line for 2023. The first thing that we're going to talk about is the electric pop and stir. This particular device is an electric popcorn maker first and foremost. So it comes with its own bowl. So when you're finished popping, you use the bowl to serve from. You don't even have to put it in anything else. In the top of this, there's little vents, so you can put butter and different seasonings and stuff on the top to be able to season as you pop. And the popcorn just goes in here. There's a little device that goes around and stirs it up. But the really cool thing about this is it also will make candied nuts. So what we're going to make today is called French toast roasted nuts. So we're going to start with 1 cup of almonds. I'm just going to dump that on there. And then we're going to put a 1/4 cup of sugar. Sprinkle it on there. We're going to put a 1.5 teaspoons of water. And then last but not least, another fall product that's come out because of the fact we have electric popcorn popper is French toast popcorn seasoning. Now we're going to use this French toast popcorn seasoning to make our French toast roasted. 2 tablespoons of this seasoning. To really zip up the flavor in this mixture of candied nuts. Now all you do next is, once you've got all your ingredients in there, is you turn this to the nut setting and off it goes. And I'll kind of show you a little bit how that's working on top of it. Everything's getting blended together. Okay, so one of the things it tells you, if you start to get a pileup of material on one of the sides, just take a small scraper and scrape it down into the plate here so it gets better. This is our mini skinny scraper. So it doesn't matter that this is hot. It'll work just fine with that. Okay, looks like we're ready here, so I'm going to turn this off. And I don't really think this is hot, but sorry. Dump those out onto there and just kind of spread them out a little bit. And there we are. French toast roasted nuts. That's delicious. All right. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching us. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. And click that notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. So thank you very much. That's it for today from Cooking on the Ridge.